Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English U. I'm Ava. Today, I have a fun question for you. What do you do for fun? What makes you happy? Let's talk about hobbies together. First, let me explain. What is a hobby? A hobby is something you do for pleasure, not for work, not because you must, but because you want to, because you enjoy it. Everyone needs hobbies. Life is not just work and sleep. We need fun. We need joy. We need activities that make us feel alive. Hobbies give us that. Some people have one hobby. Some people have many hobbies. Both are fine. There's no right or wrong. Just do what makes you happy. Let me tell you about my hobbies. My first hobby is reading. I love books. I read almost every day, usually before bed for 30 minutes. Reading is like magic. You open a book, suddenly you're in a different world, different time, different life. It's amazing. I read many types of books: mystery books, romance books, history books, fiction, and nonfiction. I like variety. My favorite place to read? My living room. I have a comfortable chair near the window. The light is perfect, it's quiet and peaceful. What about you? Do you like reading? What kind of books do you enjoy? My second hobby is cooking. I love making food, not just simple meals. I love trying new recipes, experimenting with flavors. Cooking is creative. It's like art, but you can eat it. Sometimes my cooking is great. Sometimes it's terrible. That's okay. It's part of the fun. I especially love baking, making cakes and cookies and bread. The smell fills my house. Everything feels warm and cozy. Baking is science. You need exact amounts, right temperature, correct timing. But when it works, so satisfying. Fresh bread, warm cookies, delicious. My third hobby is walking. Simple walking. I walk almost every day, in the morning or evening, in my neighborhood or the park. Walking is good for my body, but also good for my mind. When I walk, I think clearly. I solve problems. I get ideas. Walking clears my head. I don't walk fast. I'm not exercising hard. I'm just moving, looking around, noticing things, the trees, the sky, the birds. Walking helps me stay present. Sometimes I listen to music, sometimes podcasts, sometimes just the sounds around me. It depends on my mood. I also enjoy photography, taking photos with my phone, capturing beautiful moments. I'm not professional, but I love it. I photograph many things: flowers, sunsets, buildings, food, whatever catches my eye, whatever tells a story. Photography makes me notice beauty. Before I took photos, I walked past things. Now, I look carefully. I appreciate details, small moments. Some people paint. They use colors and brushes. They create images on canvas. Painting lets you express feelings without words. Some people draw with pencils or pens. Drawing is about lines, shapes, shadows. It's beautiful. Some people do crafts, knitting, sewing, pottery, making things with their hands, something beautiful and useful. Now let's talk about active hobbies, hobbies that move your body. Many people love sports: football, basketball, tennis, swimming, running. Sports are fun. They're social. They keep you healthy. Some people do yoga. Yoga combines movement with peace, stretching, breathing, balancing. It's exercise for body and mind. Some people dance, ballet, salsa, hip-hop. Dancing is exercise and art together, expression through movement. Some people hike, walking in nature, in mountains or forests. It's challenging but rewarding. You see beautiful places. Cycling is popular too. Riding a bicycle. Some cycle for fun, some for exercise, some for adventure. It lets you explore and feel free. What about indoor hobbies? Things you do inside when weather is bad or when you want to stay home. I like puzzles. Jigsaw puzzles with many pieces. You put them together slowly, make a picture. I find it very relaxing. When I do puzzles, I focus completely. I forget about time, forget about stress. Just look for pieces. The picture appears slowly. It's satisfying. Many people enjoy watching movies or series, good stories, drama, comedy, documentary. Movies tell stories visually. Gaming is huge now. Video games. People play for hours, creating worlds, solving puzzles, competing online. It's creative and fun. Some people collect things, stamps, coins, books, art. Collecting is about finding rare items, learning history, connecting with other collectors. Music is important in my life. I listen every day, while cooking, while working, while relaxing. Music changes my mood. I don't play instruments. I wish I did, but I appreciate musicians. They create something beautiful from nothing. Some people learn instruments: piano, guitar, violin, drums. It takes practice, dedication, but it's so rewarding. Some people sing, in choirs, in bands, just for fun. Singing makes you feel good. It releases stress. Let me tell you why hobbies are important. First, they reduce stress. When you do something you love, you relax. You forget worries. Second, hobbies develop skills. Reading improves vocabulary. Cooking teaches planning. Sports build discipline. Every hobby teaches something. Third, hobbies connect you with people. When you share interests, you make friends. You join communities. You belong. And fourth, hobbies give you identity. They make you interesting. They give you something unique. And fifth, hobbies bring joy. Simple happiness, pure enjoyment. No pressure, no judgment. So, what are your hobbies? What do you love doing? What makes you lose track of time? Maybe you already know. Maybe you have hobbies you love. That's wonderful. Keep doing them. Make time for them. Maybe you're not sure. Maybe you haven't found your hobby yet. That's okay. Try different things. Experiment. Explore. Don't worry if your hobbies seem simple or unusual. Your hobbies are yours. They don't need to impress anyone. Just make you happy. You can have many hobbies or just one. Do them often or rarely. There are no rules. Just do what feels right. So today we talked about hobbies, things we do for fun, for ourselves, for joy. I told you about my hobbies and many types people enjoy. Life is short. We work hard, but we also need play. We need activities that feed our soul. That's what hobbies do. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite hobby? What do you do for fun? Tell me in the comments below. I read every comment. I want to know. Thank you so much for listening today. You're doing wonderful with your English. Keep practicing every day. Next time, we'll explore another topic together. Subscribe so you don't miss it. This is Ava from English U. Keep learning, keep growing, keep doing what you love. See you next time. Goodbye.